Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to copy trade in Vintage, then this video is for you. Here you can see we are on Vintage official website. You just need to do the follow these steps where they have just instructed you us that how we start that. So if you're a new user, then you have to download the Vintage app to begin. Then first time sign-ups can immediately choose to open a copy trading account. So when you have opened a copy trading account, then you can copy trading on Vintage. Now here you can find the existed user that had through the account management page, where you can find it on your settings. Then in your profile you and select in your profile and select the open copy trading account. You can find clearly this option, open copy trading account, and you are good to go to copy trade in Vintage. So that's how you can just simply do it. And here you can find more FAQs that can help you to know more about the copy trading on Vintage. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.